Global IP Trust presents the Lopifit. This is the Lopifit, a high-quality, Dutch-made electric treadmill bike with 5 gears, that does not have a seat or pedals, and it takes walking to a whole new level. This state-of-the-art treadmill bike puts a fascinating new spin on how people commute to work or up the cardio when they are taking a stroll and enjoying the outdoors. It also makes saddle pain a thing of the past, and enables those with injuries that limit them from riding a bike to have a new experience. Additionally, the Lopifit allows you to cover more ground than you would when on foot. With an average walking pace of 3 miles per hour, you can reach a speed of up to 20 miles per hour, which is an impressive feat. This combo of getting an enjoyable exercise while covering more ground is also a huge time saver, so it is basically a win-win situation. The Lopifit is equipped with a powerful 960 watt-hour LG cells battery, accompanied by a 350 watt Bafang engine, that makes it possible to travel a distance of up to 50 miles per charge, contingent upon weather, one's weight, and the terrain. You can control the speed you are most comfortable with, thanks to its 5 gears. Just set the Lopifit for the speed you are comfortable starting on, hold the auto button to engage the treadmill, then step up, and simply walk with the treadmill. It also has Bafang high-performance disc brakes, a 6-stage full-frame EPD, and PCC anti-corrosion dip, assisted by its powder coat paint process. The Lopifit has an easy-to-read backlit control display, and it is available in 4 eye-catching contemporary colors. Besides Lopifit's treadmill component, Lopifit bikes are made with customary bicycle parts, such as regular handbrake levers on the handlebars, and disc brakes on the wheel assembly, which guarantees safe, comfortable, and smooth stopping power. According to many riders, Lopifit offers an amazing feeling of peaceful relaxation, along with a little rush of adrenaline, which is what makes you want to keep riding it. It transforms a relaxing stroll with the wind in your hair into an exhilarating and calorie-burning experience. For more information on the Lopifit, visit lopifitus.com. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share and subscribe to our channel for more.